Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the altcoin Cryptocom coin, or CRO. If you have not been paying attention to the chart and the way the chart is forming into a pattern, you might not know, but you're about to secure a very big bag if you are a holder of CRO in December. But before we get more into it, if you guys are here for the first time, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with CRO, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video for the YouTube algorithm to push the video out to more people, so more people see the incredible side of CRO. They decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up even more, and we all make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. I just want to mention, if you are a holder of CRO, you might want to watch this till the end. Other than that, let's get into it. So to begin with today's video, first of all, let's look at the 1 hour chart, and I want to show you guys something very interesting. So if we decide to look at the last 24 hours, you guys can see on the super trend we have been in a downtrend, but that is a logical response, as you guys can see that overall the trend has been a strong down force. But this is the lowest point we hit, or you can say this one. But what's crazy is that lowest point compared to the last lower low that we had on the 1 hour chart, it's actually higher. So the last lower low was close to 67.61 cents, and the newest one is close to 68 cents, which is a big relief. If you guys don't know, if this lower low was actually below this one, it would have put us into a consolidation period. And I know the CRO holders have been very tired, as from the past 1 week straight we have just been in a consolidation period. I know you guys do not want that to carry on, so suggesting that we had the pullback, and you can see that from the past 3 hours we have started receiving the retracement and starting to go back up, suggesting that we're still in an uptrend, but it is starting to slow down as the validity of the CRO market has slowed down, as the volume of traded volume has lowered. If you guys have not been paying attention to the coin market cap, you might not know, but the trading volume for CRO has slightly lowered compared to before. And you can see that this higher high that we hit was actually close to 77 cents, and that is a strong resistance, as you can see, another one right there. And after we do break through that one, the biggest one, or the biggest factor that will be affecting it, will be close to 82 cents. So at this point, after we do actually get a recovery from this point on, as you can see that the buy orders and the sell orders are very consistent. It's nothing very huge happening in the market at the moment. I'll be super honest, at this point it is a waiting game, and the two big resistance that we will have to worry about is the one at 77 cents and the one close to 82 cents. After we break through those two, all-time high is the next one that will be breaking very soon. But the support that we will have to play off is we need to make sure that we can stay as close as possible to 70 cents, as that is the strongest support from previous times. If we do fall below and keep going below 70 cents, the next one is going to be close to 63 cents. And from that, if the recovery starts happening, 70 cents will start to become a huge resistance, and we do not want that. We need to make sure that we keep it as a support. We do not want it to turn into a resistance. On the RSI line, you can see that we did go a little below. We were going close to an oversold period, but we're starting to come back to the middle, suggesting that the market is just trying to stabilize before a big momentum in a specific direction. If we decide to look at the 4 hour chart, you can see that the symmetrical triangle is still closing in, which is really crazy to think that the symmetrical triangle just does not want to be broken, as you can see right there. And then from the bottom, the same thing is happening. Now, if this symmetrical triangle breaks in any direction, that is going to be a huge impact. If it does decide to break below, most likely it will go down to the last support, which I told you guys about, which will be close to 63 cents. If it decides to break above, it is going to go all the way to the top, which is going to be an all-time high. Personally, I just want this symmetrical triangle to break out, as this is the point we will be able to actually decide and defer the distance between what is going to happen in the near future with the CRO price. Right now, it is still looking pretty stable, but we do not want it to look stable, because I know a lot of you guys want to make a lot of profit from it in the quickest way possible. I mean, Cryptocom is doing as many big things they possibly can, and just in the past 24 hours, they have actually put out some insane information on their Twitter, and I want to show you right here. So on Crypto.com, they keep announcing new tokens that you will be able to trade. On the Ethereum network, you can see that Constitution or DAO has been added in. If you do not know, compared to all the other tokens that have been added in, DAO or Constitution has been very popular on TikTok. A lot of TikTok influencers who are about cryptocurrency love talking about this one. Keys is not that really popular, and Froggies as well, but Constitution is going to be a huge impact maker. And when it comes to the big BEP20, which is obviously going to be the Binance chain, you can see Lucky, Gold Miner, Soldiers, and Doge Gamer. They just keep adding new tokens to their thing as much as possible. Now this is really good, because now you will be able to use your wallet and actually store a lot more different cryptocurrencies, helping Crypto.com actually become a bigger platform. And you know, when a platform becomes bigger, they want to continue promote their own tokens, such as Binance. Binance loves promoting BNB, and the same thing Crypto.com is trying to do by promoting their own token. The more promotion it receives, the more people will want to buy into it, and the more people buy into it, obviously over time the price is going to go up. So a lot of good news. And also, if we decide to look at the price prediction that was posted by Gov Capital today, I mean, it is looking pretty crazy. In 1 year, they're suggesting it will be breaking an all-time high all the way to $1, and in 5 years, the market cap will push us all the way to $4. That is just crazy. As you can see, that pullback, and then now it is just going to keep climbing, and suggesting there will be a small pullback when we do reach the all-time high, and then keep going up. Do I agree with this? 100%. Over time, this coin is not going to be slowing down, as Crypto.com is not slowing down the promotion of their platform. The platform just keeps getting bigger and bigger, and they just love wanting to get as much attention as possible. Another tweet that was actually posted by Crypto.com is new mission on Mars, Crypto Masters, gain crypto knowledge and earn diamonds along the way. Read the article on Crypto.com University to complete a mission, and at this point you can actually learn about NFTs, stable coins, cryptocurrencies, and token standards. Now when you complete this, you will be given diamonds, and you can actually redeem those diamonds for some crypto. And what is the crypto they will be putting in? Let's just say CRO. I mean, hey, firstly, I'm not complaining. CRO is becoming bigger, and that is what we want. Now moving on, another crazy thing is F1 in Saudi Arabia is obviously going to be partnering up with Crypto.com. So now there is going to be Crypto F1. If you do not know, there is too many fans when it comes to racing, and F1 is one of the biggest Formula 1 racing out there. And Crypto.com partnering up with them is pretty crazy, just showing that they have 7 million followers on Twitter. You know, it's a crazy one. And finally, another price prediction that was posted by Digital Coin Prize. They're suggesting that the price of Crypto.com in the next 7 years is going to be close to $3. So everyone sees a lot of potential. All you need to do is be a little patient. If you're patient, over time you will be making a bag and walking away with a lot of profit for your family. But that's out of the way. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.